Saan tayo pupunta? Totoo na. Punta po kami na. And Antipolo. Kasi ito, Piche. Equal at best rate. Nagugutom na ako.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love.
My servant.
Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but cause they'll break.
Tama kayo sa vlog ko. Ay, wag yung nasa likod. Anong palisin nyo yan? Wait lang, try natin. 1, 2. Gano'n pa rin eh. Okay na yan. Yan. Wait lang kasi isa-isa lang. Wait.
Because they'll break your heart.
Pag pumunta ka doon,
Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And never lose a thought, thinking I've got.
ano na lang, kwento, ipapakita, ganyan.
Then it's shot in the dark, now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what am I supposed to do?
Lagay na naman dyan sa gilid.
Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but
We are at Arlo.
she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it.
Alam niyo yan yung bago mga guys. Gift from my father. At my 18th birthday na gift.
Ate, pa-tour naman po sa car nyo.
Sa side na to.
Ano po meron dyan?
Vintage car ng mga Blanco family. So, in this card, ito po yung pinakauna nilang card ng panahon ng 1990.
Wow! Gumawa na sariling history.
So, yeah. In the history, side mirrors on the, what do you call this? Your below.
A vintage car.
No, this one.
A Triumph.
No, this one.
Whatever.
A few moments later.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you.
Whoa,
Play your
so
favorite movie,
nice.
laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. The corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days.
Thank you,
Just
Yuri.
need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Last stop! Yay!
Ay, kuya.
Pasok! Ito yung price sa mga gusto pumunta.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby.
Paano yung skit na ginawa mo, sis? Oh, mga binibino at binibino.
Tensya ka na, hindi gusto sa'yo.
So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I
Erasers! Erasers sa pen. Ay,
try to hide the truth?
wala ka lang pinutol yung mga ano.
When I
Wow!
feel so
Guys, finally nahanap ko na yung brain. Yay! Pagod na kami.
It's getting a little bit out of control.
Sitting down because pagod na kami. Gagong haggard ko na. Ito po yung brains na kanina ko pa po hinahanap. Yay!
I know
And
I would be dumb to let you go.